Thank you for joining us on what will no doubt be a memorable Monday night and likely a sleepless night for many residents on Maui after heavy rains flooded and damaged and destroyed homes today.
The county says they know of at least 6 homes that were damaged or destroyed in Haiku, and they're still monitoring the dam that overflowed this afternoon. Sam Spangler joins us now. Sam, what did the mayor tell you?
Bridget, I talked to Mayor Victorino just a bit ago. He says they couldn't continue their trek around the area tonight. That's because how dark it was. But he says that the Kaupakalua Dam is actually holding up. Now, the dam did overflow, but it has structurally survived. They are keeping an eye on the water levels, though. The area was evacuated this afternoon after the Kaupakalua Dam started to overflow. Mayor Victorino says this afternoon's downpour, the worst he's seen in a long time. He says about 50 years worth. He toured some of the area today and tells me homes and critical infrastructure were damaged.
Saw is at least a half a dozen homes have been destroyed or severely damaged. 2 major bridges, the Kaupakalua Bridge has been destroyed and the Ahi Road Bridge has been destroyed. So those are 2 major roadways that traverse the area that have been severely damaged. We understand there is more damage and landslides. But the good news is the dam did hold up. The spillways were able to, allow enough water to come out where only water went over the top, not reaching the actual dam itself.
Unfortunately, Mayor Victorino also tells me they have not gotten any reports of injuries. Emergency shelters are open at Paia Community Center and Hana High School. Now, I spoke to Senator Kalani English tonight, and he said Hana High School is open because they're worried about tourists in the area, not because of residents in any danger. Roads in the area are closed, folks. Now, the fire department has responded to more than a dozen calls from people who were trapped by rising waters. Now, with rain still in the forecast, Mayor Victorino wants residents who have been evacuated from the area to stay out until at least tomorrow morning. That's when they can take a look at how the dam is holding up with a helicopter and some drones. Back to you.